Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Friday. And I wanted to just show you, I ordered something from Premier Yarn that I've been wanting to try. And this is it right here. It's the Universal Yarn Deluxe DK Superwash right here. And this one is in the color Icy Gray. And right now, this is their bag of 5, and normally it's $60, and right now it's on sale for half price. You can get it for 30. Okay, so that's only $6. $6 compared to what instead of 12. Okay, so here it is. It is let me give you the, of course, it's a DK number 3 lightweight DK superwash wool, and there's 284 yards per ball. And let's see, they have it in, there's several colors. The ones that have an X on them are no longer available, but you can see there's several 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 22 colors still available. Okay, 22 still available. So right now they are, like I said, they're, instead of 60, they're only $30. So I grabbed this up. So let's see, that's 284. I got to get my calculator out because I don't math this way in my head. 284 times 5. That's 1,420 yards. I'm thinking some kind of a sweater, some kind of a top, a winter top, winter cardigan, maybe a shawl of some kind. I don't know, but I'm going to work this up at some point after the holidays. I'm going to work this up and see. Oh, I can't wait. And let me go ahead and open this bag. I want to feel this yarn, and I want to see. Okay. It's squishy. And yes, it feels like wool. This is not anything, it's not baby soft by any means, but it's wool. So I didn't expect it to be super soft. But the thing of it is, it can be really used really well, I believe, for an outer garment, something you wear over something else. If it's not touching the skin, I think it'd be fine. It's not, like I said, it's not soft, but it's wool. So I still think this would make a beautiful top, a sweater, a a cardigan, a shawl. So I'm going to do some more research and see what I can figure out to make with this. Yeah, because I think that would be super, super pretty worked up. So stay tuned and we'll see. We'll see what I'm able to do with that. And my phone keeps going off. I do apologize. Um, Let me get this turned down so it's not blaring in everybody's ears. Okay, so um, I didn't have any noses, so I also ordered some noses off of Amazon, and they're 14 millimeter. There's 14, 11, 19, and 24 milliliter. So with the little backings that go with it. So I needed some noses for all the amigurumis I'm doing for Christmas gifts. So I got that going. Just wanted to remind you guys that tomorrow, Saturday the 25th, I will be live with Connie at 12:30, and we're going to share some poncho patterns. And then next week, starting Monday the 27th, the whole week, we want to join in and support Nova from Nova Gnome Creations and her Boo Tube Spirit Week. Mermaid Monday, Tarantula Tuesday, Witchy Wednesday, Gorgeous Thursday, something with a gourd theme, and then Funny Bones Friday. So I will be posting each day, and so make sure you see the makes that I have made for these and join in. You can dress up in costume. There's all kinds of things you could do to support Nova with this theme and with her Boo Tube Spirit Week. So this is just a real quick, real short video. I am heading out to spending some time. I recorded this on Thursday because while you're watching this on Friday, I'm taking the day to spend with my husband. We're going to do some things together, and going out to dinner to a barbecue place that we have not been to in a long time. And then we're going to try and make our grandson's soccer games Saturday. They live about an hour and a half away, and it's early in the morning. So it's like 9 o'clock in the morning is when the games start. So we're not sure. I told Steve, I said, I got to be back here by 12:30. I have to be back here by 12:30 for my live on Saturday with Connie. So he's like, ew. So I don't know if we'll make it or not. Um, we may not go to the game. I told my daughter, I said, a lot of things are coming up and we may not be able to make it, but we're gonna play that by ear Saturday morning. But I definitely will be on at 12:30 for Connie's live. I will definitely be doing that. And then the Spirit Week things and just having some time with Steve. So also update on Mom. We went yesterday and got her eyes checked. Really, not a lot of difference. He looked and noticed that all the cloudiness from the cataracts is gone, so that's great. But they had to change her lenses prescription just slightly. He said it wasn't anything major, but slightly. They changed them just a little bit. And so she got some new glasses ordered, and they should be in about a week or two. So she's excited to get new glasses, and things are looking up. Right now, all we're doing now is just waiting to hear back from her doctor. Um, Waiting on a call back from him to let her know when we're going to the neurologist. So that'll be the next big thing. So if you guys could pray for her the uh, that the visit with the neurologist will go well. And so, yeah, just I appreciate all of you praying for her and keeping her in your thoughts. Just another recap, real quick. I've been checking messages, I've been checking comments on the post and the video where I talked about the two different crochet alongs that I want to do for next year. And pretty much the majority for the subscribers crochet along. Um, Pretty much everyone wants to do one square a month. So that's what we're going to do. So that'll be a year-long crochet along. I'm planning on some other crochet alongs possibly in between if I have time, but I have to work the details out and see if those are even doable. But I will always have at least one tutorial a month other than the crochet alongs because of Battle of the Stitches. So you need to join in on that. And then I have a really fun crochet along again going on with my members only. So if you haven't placed membership with Critters Crochet and you're able to support me that way, I would greatly appreciate it. I've got a really fun crochet along just for members, and I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with it. So if you're not a member and you want to be a part of the members crochet along, and you're able to, I don't want you to do anything you're not able to do. I don't want you to put yourself in a financial strain, but if you're able to support Critters Crochet with a membership, I would love it. That money will be used um, to do things for the channel. So to have better content and to have maybe some kits, yarn unboxings. It'll help me to be able to do more giveaways because I'll have the monies to purchase some fun stuff to do giveaways. And so that's what all the membership money will go to. And so if you'd like to place membership, I would really appreciate it so much. And you get to be a part of a really fun crochet along. So I'm going to get off of here, guys. I just wanted to show you what I got from Premier Yarns. Give me some suggestions of what I should make with this merino, with this wool. Let me know what you think I should make with this DK wool. And like I said, I've got like, what did I say? It was 1,420 something yards. So whatever you think, give me some comments. Leave me a comment below and let me know what I should make with that DK yarn. And I'm going to get off of here because I've got lots to do, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys. see you Saturday at 12:30 p.m. Central Time.